thing of once you've seen it, you can never go back about cwtch.
Elis James.
Yeah.
I'm sure I have. Yes, but if you want to repeat it so our viewers can also know.
I know exactly what you're talking about, but just let the viewers know, all right?
Let those guys at home know.
Yeah, definitely. So, cwtch, how's it spelt at the end, the last two letters?
It could be two different ways, CH or SH.
But most of the time on, like, Brandon, which one is it?
CH.
Yeah, so it's not cwtch.
Oh, tell me more.
It'd be cwtch.
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 Yeah, true. That is true.
There's no way of mutating that, unless there's a really rare Welsh literacy
English,
rule I don't know. Or he didn't know.
Isn't it? It's a ch sound.
Cwtch.
Yeah, but the way you say cwtch.
But that's English.
Yeah. It's an English sound. Wait a second.
I know. So
whoa.
I know.
How come I've never thought about that before?
No one has ever thought about this before, and then he pointed it out. And now I can't see it.
It's an English. It's an English sound. Yeah. Maybe that's why I've seen it sometimes. There's a Club Cwtch in Cardiff Hudson Libraries
with S.
Where it's called SH.
And that's right.
Mind blown. Mind blown. I didn't know that. Yeah.
No, everyone goes around giving cwtches, but actually they go around giving cwtch.
I bet that would have gone down in the Elis James thing. Well, yes. Okay. No,
I can just imagine the listeners now roaring.
He was in Carmarthen, wasn't he? He was in Carmarthen a while back. He did a show in the
recording. Yeah, on SOS.
Oh, that's cool. We should have gone. If I lived in Carmarthen and you didn't live in Scotland at the time.
That's it. That's it.
If only we were back there.
He's probably one of our fans, to be fair.
I hope so. Let's send this to him. Let's cut this tape section out.
True.
Send this bit to him.
Nice.
He's from Carmarthen.
Get this all over TikTok.
I don't do it TikTok much, but I'll try.
His mother worked with your father.
Did he?
Well, they're both in the Drindod.
Wow, you know more about my dad than me. Yeah, he was in the Drindod. He was. She was in the Drindod too.
Yeah, I don't know what she did. I think she might have been like
Let me tell you who Elis James is married to. You probably don't watch Peep Show, but Dobby from Peep Show.
Dobby?
Yeah.
As in the house elf from Harry Potter?
Well, that's where the joke comes in. Yes, as in the house elf, because she's cool. Let's put it that way. Nobody should speak ill of Dobby.
Okay.
But yeah, watch Peep Show. Elis James, married to Dobby.
From
Carmarthen as well.
No.
Pick him up.
No way. No. That's who Elis James is married to.
No.
Oh.
Not from Carmarthen. Not from Carmarthen. She's from like England somewhere.
I assume Guildford. Hull. She's from Hull.
Oh, you Googled her. So you've seen her before then, yeah?
Izzy Sutty. Yeah. Wow, I had no idea that's who he was married to.
Wow. Yeah, she's cool. Whew. Sorry.
New. Answer you.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to definitely. I'll have to ask my dad about Elis James's mother. True. My dad knows quite a few people. Yeah.
As the way in Wales, isn't it?
I'm pretty sure he said he knows Stephen Jones's dad. And also, get this, Rod Gilbert's dad.
Isn't that just everyone in Carmarthen, though?
It is. It's not even funny. It is. That's it. Everyone knows everyone. And that's not even a lie.
It's not. No.
It's true.
I guess Wyn Evans is the only one that probably doesn't go in the same circles because he's not Welsh speaking.
I thought he was a Llanelli guy, wasn't he?
No, he's from Carmarthen.
Ooh.
He lives in either Lan or Llansteffan now.
Oh. I always thought he was a Llanelli guy. Let's send this to him too.
True. Get him to go compare podcasts.
Okay. Hey, he's a big name. If we can get him and Elis James on for a pedwar.
Elis James is his dad as well, so I'm not sure if we're doing that.
Oh, Elis James is his dad.
We'll have to get him on guest appearance.
We'd love to, wouldn't we?
I think so.
I reckon he seems like a cool guy. I'm sure he would as well.
Yeah, 100%.
He can speak Welsh as well.
Do a full-on episode in Welsh and English, increase our numbers.
Nice. 2 languages, double the. Well, I don't think it works that way, but yes.
And then
double the
learn
audience.
Spanish and Mandarin and hit all.
Mandarin. Hey, Mandarin's the way forward.
Exactly.
Just saying.
And Spanish.
Español. See,